Hey, good morning. Good morning. Coach Micheal Burt. We got a nice, warm, beautiful day here in Tennessee. 7:35. I've been on daddy duty this morning. And I just wanted to come to you as we get this day started and say good morning to you, number one. As you know, I like to bring a rhythm, a structure, a drive. I give it a cool name. There's my Bobcat, number one Bobcat person in the world, Freddie Blanton, my new workout partner. We got to the end of the workout, and Freddie said, when's the warm-up going to be over? So, Coach Micheal Burt, good morning. I believe everybody needs a coach in life. Man, what a beautiful day it is in Tennessee. I'm actually headed to Dallas, Texas this afternoon to speak at Tax Growth Con. One of our top clients that's been with me for several years, David Pettis, has really turned out to be a big-time person of interest, and he's having his own conferences and writing his own books, and so I'm going to be speaking tomorrow on person of interest. It's a boot camp I have coming up on June 1st, how you become known, renowned, and celebrated. I was watching documentaries yesterday on Quincy Jones, Clive Davis. They help people become known, renowned, and celebrated. Okay, so I'll be in Dallas, Texas the next couple days. Come see me. Come say hi to me. And then I'm actually going down to Watercolor, Florida to celebrate my best friend's 50th birthday this week. So this morning I want to just give you a short message, a short drive. Thank you for watching this on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel if you're on YouTube. We want to get that thing up because we feel like we put out great content. Here's the message this morning. Action creates action. Action creates action. When in doubt, I don't know what to do, I do something. People say, well, what could I do, Coach? Well, I could do a lot of things. I could text message someone, I could call somebody, I could follow up with somebody, I could put something in motion. I want you to think two creations. Mental creation, I see it in my mind. Physical creation, the act of physically creating what I envisioned in my mind. Okay, so I'm going to take the mental creation that I had on the weekend, and I'm going to move it into physical creation on Monday. But the business needs revenue. All businesses need revenue. So we're going to get into revenue producing activities, which means we're going to try to locate problems and solve those problems. And we're going to follow up with those problems. And we're going to keep following up Jeff Breeden. Jeff Breeden's going to the NCAA tournament. Congratulations. One of our coaching students right there took his team all the way to the NCAA tournament. That's incredible. Won the conference championship. Good for you guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from mental creation, which I had last night. See, Sunday, I'm incredibly creative on Sundays. So Sunday I create programs, ideas, structures, and then I put those into motion. Man, I need a landing page for that. Man, I need to talk about it. Man, I need to go out and promote it. And I go from thinking about it right into action on it. And I test the idea very quickly. So I don't wait like a lot of people do. I don't do A/B testing. I don't try out ideas. And what I do is I just push it out into the marketplace and I see if people like it. And if they do like it, I keep going. And if they don't like it, I move on to something else. Or if I do it and I didn't enjoy it, I move on to something else. So, action creates action. There's probably very few people who's done this as good as Ryan Chikelli, one of my insurance partners, who just, gets into movement, gets into action, gets into circulation, gets into doing something. So, this is ultimate flip the switch. Right out of the book, Flip the Switch. When in doubt, I take an action, okay? Don't get caught up on the mechanics of something. Get into the action of something. Pastor Ken, somebody you got to call, an inspired impression you had this morning, reach out to this person, follow up with this person, get involved with this person. Like here's opportunity here. Follow the opportunity and stay with the opportunity and see until you see that opportunity through to its conclusion. And it may not work like you want it to in option A. It may be option B. What's up, Ryan and Brittany? I always want to say Brian and Brittany. Okay? So, that's what we're talking about this morning, guys. Take an inspired idea, put it into movement and circulation, take it all the way through its conclusion. Okay? Action creates action. When you don't know what to do something. Okay? All right, let's have a great day. Before I get started, there is one very important question I have to ask you.
Coach Micheal Burt, Monster Producer Academy CEO. He's a personal friend of mine.
What good is it to have knowledge with no desire? What good is it to have desire with no skill? What good is it to have knowledge and skill with no confidence? A big part of activating your prey drive is finding and refining your talent. This is something that helps you get to the next place. People are made up of 4 parts: a body, a mind, a heart, and a spirit. You need to know you, and then you need to have an awareness, and sometimes you don't even know what you need. So all 4 parts of our nature have to be clicking. Your hard skill solves my problem. The bigger the problem, the more money people will pay to solve it. Everything is valuable to your future. What I'm really paying you for is your past. A monster producer combines multiple skills to dominate a market. When you get to wake up every day and do what you love doing, man, it is hard not to be motivated. They think at a higher ordinance than everybody else. They want to create new things. I have a conviction about me, and that's the conviction that you feel when I talk, when I speak. It comes across as passion. You got to learn how to connect to another person at such a deep level that it moves them. You have goals, you have targets, but you don't have a sense of urgency. They're going to exchange money, energy, they're going to raise capital, they're going to start new businesses, there's going to be joint ventures. I think your purpose finds you. It is activated. The word activate means to initiate. Discipline, which is a derivative of the word disciple, which means to give yourself to a person or cause you believe in. Do you believe in your future, yes or no? When we know better, we do better. Finding the problem that you are uniquely qualified to solve, and you don't know what problem you really solve for whom, then there is no big financial exchange right there. You should leave here thinking bigger today than when you came. And I want to shake your hand and look you in the eyeball when you make this decision. Thank you. We'll see you in the back. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.